Welcome to your piano lesson. If you're here for the first time, I am Gianluca Fronda. If you want to discover interesting facts about me, you can watch an introduction video of the channel. I'm leaving the link in the description below. If you like the content of my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I'm aiming to publish 2 weekly tutorials. Now let's dive into the lesson. Today a new chapter of my project about the chord progressions, about the 24 chord progressions that we are generating using just 4 chords. The 3 primary chords, the chord on the 1st, 4th and 5th, and the chord on the 6th. But since I've noticed that my private students are understanding quite well and they are developing their skills, also thanks to the method that I'm sharing, from now on I've decided to explain in every single lesson at least 2 chord progressions. In this way we start speeding up a little bit more the process. And today I'm going to complete the package of the chord progressions starting from the 4th. We stopped at the 4th chord progression using the 4th at the beginning, that was the 10th of the whole project, and today indeed I'm going to show you the 5th and the 6th using the 4th at the beginning, that obviously will be the 11th and the 12th chord progression of the whole big project of the 24 chord progressions. I hope you have also understood the principle that is applied, is the one of saving the notes that 2 consecutive chords have in common, and one of applying the contrary motion, the opposite motion, when 2 chords have nothing in common. It happens just when they are 1 second, when the base of the chord is 1 second apart from the following one, obviously. It means 1 second up or 1 second down, 1 second to the right or 1 second to the left. But let's dive into the lesson. And these are the 2 chord progressions that we are going to discover today. One is the 4th, 6th, 1st, 5th. The other one is 4th, 6th, 5th, 1st. We have saved the 4th, confirmed the 6th twice, and inverted the 2 remaining chords. And obviously let's start playing now the 5th one, the one having 4th, 6th, 1st, 5th. The left hand can stay always here with the thumb on the C, the little finger on the F, 4th on the G, and 3rd finger on A. And let's start from the F in root position. It will be. As usual, let's explain. This one is quite simple because the bass being 4th, 6th, 1st is constantly skipping one note. It means that we have 2 notes in common every single time. Indeed, moving from F to A, look, I hold down F and C and I move the F down to the E and I make A minor because I have to look for the closest position. Then moving from the A minor to the C, I save E and C and I move the A down to the G. And that's all. And obviously to now, moving from the C to the G, I save the G, that is in common in between C major and G major, and I move down these 2 in this way. G. That's all. Let's start now from the first inversion. Same story. I save A and C, and I move down the F to the E. Then moving from the A minor to the C major, I move down the A to the G. And now moving from the C to the G, I save the G, and I move down the remaining 2. Now let's move to the second inversion. Maybe I move it down a little bit, and it will sound. If you prefer, you can have the right hand 1 octave higher. Same story. I now save C and A, same notes at the end, simply in different positions. And I move down the F. Then save these ones, move down the A to the G, save the G now, and move down the remaining ones. We can move now immediately to the following one, that is nothing less, nothing more than 4th, 6th, 5th, 1st, from the root position of the F major. Obviously the start is identical, but then the ending is completely different because moving from the 6th to the 5th we have nothing in common, and you change position, you apply the contrary motion. The bass goes down, the right hand goes up. Let's analyze as usual. So in between F and A there is no need of analysis because it's the same identical situation we had in the previous one. Now moving from A minor to G major, indeed, the A goes down and I look for the closest position to the right, they go all up the three notes and obviously the three fingers that we've been using. But moving from the G to the C, obviously I save the G and I move up the two notes. Let's start from the first inversion. Identical situation. Quite clear now. I go to the G, moving the bass down and the notes of the right up. Contrary motion. I save the G and I move up these ones. Now from the second inversion, maybe the first time here. What did I do? If you like, you can, as you know, you can play one octave higher. It gives the sensation of ending, this one, isn't it? Anyways, let's analyze. Obviously moving from the first to the second chord, there is no need of extra explanation. Now, so, down the bass, up the right hand notes. You save the G and you move up the remaining two. Now let's play all of them. So the three positions of 4th, 6th, 1st, 5th, giving a bit of rhythm, and also the last ones that I've just played. And let's see if you like them. First inversion. Second inversion. That couldn't be played also here. Let's play now the very last one, the three positions of 4th, 6th, 5th, 1st. First inversion. Second inversion. Or as you know here. I really hope you like these chord progressions. There is some, at least one, that you like. And that's all that you have to know for now about the one starting from the 4th. But as you know, all these will be developed more and more and more, because this is simply the basic structure. With these simple tutorials you're learning how to connect the chords, but then music needs more. I hope you have understood everything, that the fact that today I have explained two different chord progressions didn't generate any confusion, but I don't think so, because it's quite clear and straightforward method. Let me know how is it going. I would really appreciate it if you're learning how to play the chords in the way I'm suggesting, because I know about my private students, but not that much about you following my project on YouTube. So let me know how it's going. If it's the first time you're landing on my channel thanks to this video, don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. All the best.